Listen to the growl of the big Honda 450 when he's in the air. I love that sound. The only two songs that have the same top product come back in after a quick whip. With that 450 and it's on the noise. You love it. You were playing bass a little bit in qualifying, weren't you? I'm so thrilled that you won the qualifying and that was three-time XP gold medalist in best best on product. And now the kid that's really going to walk us way, and I do mean it. All the way from France, check this out. Now what style of whip was that? Just Truman Carroll. Truman checking it out there, turning it inside out. He got it back perfectly. Let's hear it for Truman Carroll rolling down the side, people. Give him a little bit of love. Dusty fresh meat. Now entering the fade, Mr. Todd Potter. Yeah, Todd Potter. Bit of a blowout out there to run on the crowd. Let's make some noise for Todd Potter. He's up for the energy, excitement, and the entertainment as he comes in for his second crack at this. Nice stall in that. In the middle of it, he just kind of paused before he slapped the shoulders and then turned the thing to the land. Just really. I think he's just going to roll it off. He smashed up massive turn down. Oh my God. Can I get a witness? Best whip, Truman Carroll, Todd Potter, and Tommy Pages. Here's an affair dinner on FMX, pressure cooker up in the judge's tower. No Matt over there, he's in prison snap all out of his pencil blower in there as well. And Adams in this pressure strike. Let's get up this way. And the best whip here, the crushing demons come up. Oh, the sweet smell of burning rubber. They're always doing stuff like that. I mean, they do it every time. Truman, a little funny having you a crusty virgin. Well, I don't think you're a virgin when you're crusty. You're probably clean. But nonetheless, you're on the show for the first time. How do you like being here with the boys?
Oh, you know, I'm having a good time hanging out with